Hello, this is Jared Parker with Need Computer Help. Today we're going to talk about the Snap to feature of Windows. This feature will allow you to quickly and easily split a single screen between two different application windows to use for comparing documents or getting information out of, say, an Excel spreadsheet to copy into a Word document. To use this feature, we will start by opening both of the applications. I'm using Microsoft Word and Excel as an example. From there, you will click and drag one of the applications over to the side of your monitor until the mouse cursor touches the edge of the screen. On the left, as you can see, it gives you a list of the applications to choose from. I'm selecting Microsoft Word, since I'm using that as the example. And now that you've done this, it splits the screen evenly between the two applications. I use this for side-by-side comparisons, or if I've got information in an Excel spreadsheet that I want to copy into Word or vice versa. And it makes it easy to be able to do that right on one screen. I find this most helpful when I'm comparing a couple of Excel spreadsheets that I've gotten that have like list of users when we're onboarding clients or something like that will allow me to say, okay, well, these are the ones that we got in the first pass versus the next pass, what's different between the two. So anyway, I hope this is something that you find useful as well. And again, thank you. This is Jared Parker with Need Computer Help. Have a nice day.